Welcome to video 9.6c, Principle of the Reduced Triangle. So this is not exactly related to Pythagorean triples, but it's somewhat along the same lines of making your life easy. Alright, so here's example 4. We want to find the value of x. Okay, we've got a right triangle. We can certainly use the Pythagorean theorem. It's just the numbers are really large, and let's suppose we don't have our calculator and want to do it by hand. Notice that 55 and 77 are both multiples of 11. So we could simplify this by dividing each side here by 11. So 5, 7, and a new variable y. Okay, so here's the principle over here. Reduce the difficulty by multiplying or dividing each side by the same number, which I just did step 1 here. Solve for the missing side of the easier triangle, which I'll solve for y, and then convert back to the original problem. So once I solve for y, to get back to the original problem, well, since everything here got divided by 11, I'll have to multiply by 11 at the very end. Okay, so let's solve this problem. So it's simply going to be leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. Again, the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. That's the most common mistake made in these types of problems. So it's going to be y squared plus 5 squared equals 7 squared. Y squared plus 25 equals 49. Y squared equals 24. Y equals, technically it's plus or minus the square root of 24. I can't have a negative side length, so it'll just be the square root of 24. Let's reduce that. Rad 4 rad 6 equals 2 rad 6. So that's what y is, 2 rad 6. I don't care about y, I want to get x. So now the third step, convert back to the original. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to multiply it by 11, just showing you going the opposite direction. So x will be 11 times 2 rad 6, or x will be 22 rad 6. Okay, you don't have to do it this method, but I just offer it in case you find it easier to solve the problems. So there you have it, the principle of the reduced triangle and how it can save you time and effort in solving problems.